it's me, Ashley Alexandra, and I'm back again with another video. And as you guys can see from the title, right? Because I was so lazy, I just got cake mix to make my banana cake. However, I have a recipe of how to do it without cake mix, how to do it plain flour and baking powder. I have the recipe, but this is just a shortcut. This is the cake mix that I used. You're just gonna add the powder inside a big bowl, and then I'm using 3 bananas. Because this video is pretty much for beginners, and if you just want a quick easy snack, I don't have time to mash any bananas. I'm gonna put it right in the blender along with some water. So based on the measurement in my blender, I add the water up to about 200. And right now, I'm just gonna get my 3 eggs, put it inside a bowl, and mix it all together, and then add my banana mixture. Ensure you get everything mixed together properly, so there's no powder or no big banana chunks or anything. Just ensure you just stir. Do not leave any excessive in the bowl. Put everything inside your baking pan. Also, I put a bit of oil in my baking pan. I wiped it around the surface to ensure that the cake do not stick to the pan. And right now my oven is on 160 degrees and it's on fan. Follow the recipe without the cake mix. Your cake is gonna come out a bit dark brown or brownish color. However, because I use the vanilla cake mix, it's that color. So I just squished it together to make sure it's all good